Hello, my name is Peter and I'm an automotive technician. 4.5 years ago, I left the shop and joined YourMechanic. With YourMechanic, I'm earning a lot more money now than I could ever perceive working in a shop or a dealership. I'm my own boss and I set my own schedule. I deal with customers directly, and that way I can establish a rapport with the customer and retain customers for future. YourMechanic makes it easy to find new customers. What's really nice is they do all the marketing, advertising, and covering the cost of parts. Their site and app takes care of all the scheduling. So what's really nice is I get to work on customers' cars, which I really love to do, and I don't have to worry about sourcing parts or paperwork. That's all taken care of for me on the app. YourMechanic is an ideal platform for technicians that like a flexible schedule and like working directly with consumer and fleets. Just set your hours on the app. Then YourMechanic team, they take care of all the bookings and the payments. They set a fair price for customers and technicians. Because there's no overhead of a shop, I get to take home more earnings, and the customer gets a fair deal. It's really a win-win situation. The best part of my experience is getting to know my customers and helping them stay mobile. So if you enjoy being your own boss and you love to deal with people directly, you are going to love YourMechanic.